So, another day. A little bit more done each day. We're getting more and more each done each day, aren't we, Mr. Big? That's David. That's one of the angels that came to rescue me. He's going to put a new fan and belt on my truck so I don't get stuck up here in the middle of the winter. Him and his brothers came and saved me. I'm talking to you two people. And this is what we've been getting done. As you can see, David got the metal off this morning. So we saved that. So we can do something with that. Got the garage is gone. I got all what we needed out of that. Trying to figure out where we're going to put this stuff. I'm not sure where to put it as of right yet. But we'll figure that out. That's just another thing. And around here, JD hadn't shown up. That tells us that Christine is his wife. She's got 4th stage cancer, lung cancer. So him not being here yet tells us that Christine's not doing well today. So he's there with her, taking care of her. And this is some of the stuff I got done with the hoe, with the skid steer until it ran hot. And it's really a muddy mess, so it was tough going, but we got a lot of the ditch cleared out. And then, of course, I got me a mud hole I got to deal with here. And that's a tour of the place. Isn't that right, Mr. Big? Everybody say hey there, Mr. Everybody. Hi, Mr. Big! What's up, Mr. Big? What's up, Mr. Big? What's up, Mr. Big? He's a big boy. He's a big boy. All right, that's that. Peace.